Hello everyone. In this session, we will take a look at how can we connect to MySQL database with the help of Power BI. So for that, what you need to do is first we need to go in MySQL services. So over here, if I show you my MySQL database and I have opened the workbench so I can see my data over here. So over here, I have multiple databases that I made. One of them is job underscore data. So what I'll do is I will try to import this job underscore data over there in Power BI, and I will try to import all the tables that are present in this. So right now I'm having four tables inside it. The first one is email underscore events. The second one is events. The third one is job underscore tables. The fourth one is the users. So some of the informations that you need are the host ID. So over here I have this 127.0.0.2. This would be very useful when I'm trying to connect my MySQL database to Power BI. Then I have this login user and the login password that you have created when you are working with the MySQL database. So now I need to go to this Power BI desktop option, and over here I can choose the get data option. Then I will select more option. I will type over here MySQL so I can get a connector for MySQL. Select it, click on connect. Now it would ask me what is that particular data set that I want to import. So the database is job underscore data and my server ID is 127.0.0.2. After I have given it this information, I can click on OK. After that, it would show you all the tables that were present inside that particular database. Now remember, before this step, it would ask you the username and password of your MySQL services. So you have to keep that handy. Then you can choose any particular table that you would like to import. So right now I'm choosing all these tables. If I click on it, it would show me the preview of that particular table. I can select all these tables one by one. And let's say if you want to combine all these four tables, then you can go in this transform data and you can combine those as well. So for now, I'm just selecting this load option. Now, when you have selected this load option, all the data would be shown over here in this data tab. Now, one thing to notice is that since we were working with the relational databases when we were working with the MySQL, so there may be a relation between all these tables. So let's say I want to create this relationship in Power BI as well. I can do it as well over here. For that, we have to go in this model view and then I can try to create any relationship between all these tables as I want. Now, since it is trying to fetch the data from MySQL database, it would take some time to load this data. After the data has been loaded, it would be showing over here under the data option. Now you can see all the four tables have appeared over here and they are ready to use. Let's say if you want to create any kind of relationship between these tables, then you can head over here in the model view and there you will see that all these four tables would be shown. Now you can see it is trying to create a relationship between all these tables depending on a similar column that is present among them. So we will talk about this in the upcoming sessions that how can you create a relationship between multiple tables. And then we will also see some of its types. So let's head to the report view again. Now, since this data has been loaded, it is now ready to be used. In the upcoming sessions, we will see how can we connect to our data with the help of different data sources. And also we will see how can we transform this data for our report generation and other uses. Till then, thank you.